Hola! Today we are making a very easy and very delicious fruit dessert. You can make it with very few ingredients and in no time. It is everyone's favorite Spanish-style baked apples, Manzanas Asadas. So if you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description box below. First, we're going to be using golden apples and this thing to remove the core. But very important, set it aside, don't throw it away. Now that the apples are empty, we cut the bottom. We will also need the top, just discard the seeds in the middle. Now put the bottom of it. It's important to remember which apple it goes with. And now we place them in a tray. And we're gonna put a little bit of butter inside to make it extra tasty. We tuck it in nicely, give it a little poke. And now we add some granulated sugar. You can use any type, we've chosen brown sugar. Approximately 1 spoonful for each apple should be okay. Now we add a little bit of water just to cover the bottom of the tray, and we also close the apples with the top. And we take it to the oven and we cook it for approximately 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Our apples are ready. Now this is our personal touch. We like to add a bit of cinnamon and some thick cream or ice cream if you cannot find this. As you can see, our apples look beautiful. Now it's time to see how they turned out, if it's as delicious as it looks. We cut the apple, we can see it's very nice and soft, well cooked inside. And we're gonna add a little dab of our cream. And we're gonna spread a bit of cinnamon. And there it goes. Delicious! I'm gonna get a little bit more because I cannot get enough of this dessert. What a pleasure! This is beautiful! So, buen provecho! Enjoy! Adios!